Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to get something, we got some big news. As you see, some little gay guys right there. Huh? What? Anyways, we got somebody here. You want to introduce yourself to them?
No, you did.
What are you?
What am I?
Yeah, what are you?
William's new full-time editor.
So that's right, we got a full-time editor, and I'm gonna go pick up something. He doesn't know what it is yet, so we're gonna get his reaction soon as I get back from town and get it in here, get it unwrapped, and let's see what he thinks of it. Okay, here he is. He's coming in right about now. What do you think of your new toy?
Oh, yeah? How about just take yours?
Why not that one? That one's yours.
Oh,
I just went out and got you that. Today.
Today?
Brand new. What do you think of it?
Not too shabby.
We still got to take the, all the shipping stuff off. So what do you think? Glad to be my editor now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at him. Rip that sucker off there. There, look at that bright red shock.
There, I'll get this nice fine seat that'll be
That's
tore up in a week.
That's a nice little, look, I don't know what you call that.
What kind of wrap job this is?
No, I guess, they probably don't want to see your weenie.
Huh?
They probably don't want to see your weenie.
Come on. You suck at this. There you go.
Oh.
Sheesh. Roll it. Not to get in huh? There you go. Oh, it's really a knife.
Well, you got the trash can right behind you. So that is correct, boys. I just bought my brand new editor a pit bike so he can rip with us. So hopefully,
Every other weekend.
huh?
Every other weekend.
So hopefully he likes it.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place.
Alright guys, so that is Mikey's brand new pit bike. Let's see you sit on her.
We're all about the...
Take all the bucket and see if you can see how you sit on her.
Hey, you off the bucket.
It's about the same height as mine.
Damn near. Damn.
What do you think?
Minty.
Ready to go ripper?
Ready to ripper. I'll tell about the sticker.
Oh yeah. So my trip to get this bike was definitely a little sketchy. Okay. Guy said, "Oh, come meet me at this address." Okay. Type in the address. It's freaking Boost Mobile. So I pull up there. Of course, I stole Mikey's truck because he was here editing a video for me. But it was a Boost Mobile shop. I texted the guy and said, am I supposed to be at a Boost Mobile place? He said yes. So I was like, all right, this is a little sketchy, but then I walked in Boost Mobile and the guy's like, are you here for the pit bike? I was like, yeah. He's like, all right, let me go get it behind. Let me go get it from the back. I was like, oh my goodness, this guy's selling pit bikes out of Boost Mobile. And I guess some of the graphics are a little tore up already, but you know, Mike is gonna drop it a couple times, so it'll be alright. You know, front brakes only. No, it has back brakes. But anyways, yeah. Are you happy with your rig?
New rig.
Your new rig?
She's ready to rip.
All we need to do is put some, you know, editing stuff on her. You know, big camera guy. He is also going to be our camera guy now. So, there's your pit bike for being my editor and my camera person. Sheesh. Can't you tell he's real thrilled?
Just a tad bit cold.
It is a little chilly, so.
$20 as a layer over today.
You guys comment on how long it's going to take him to lay it down. Right now, go in the comment. Tell us how long it's going to take for him to lay it down. So, we'll catch you guys soon as we start riding. Alright guys, so we're back here. We had a little issue. We got her fixed though. You know. Got her fixed! Got her fixed, eh? Got her fixed.
Shows like how much bigger, just like a 20 is.
Just the tires. Alright, go. Go. Fucking ripping, eh? Go for it. She rips up that sucker. I want to see you lay her down. I want to see you lay her down. Tire spin. He almost went, ouch! Hit my toe! Ouch! That hurt. Hit my toe on the freaking tire, eh? Nice butt crack. You're gonna have to cover that up with SpongeBob or something. SpongeBob. God damn, that thing's fucking brighter than hell. Go that way.
Goddamn, she's money. Deer! Shoot her! Nah.
You don't realize how
It died?
safe you are until you ride one of these.
Huh? I know, right? Mine died too. Mine died again. Yeah, kill switch. Hey, go back to my tree stand, turn right, go down that, then turn around once you get up the hill, and you know where the little mounds are? Okay, just go up. No, okay. So basically go to the house, but right before the house, there's a little turnaround. Remember where we turned around before? You'll see the opening. You'll see. Yeah, you're good.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you
Go ahead. We need to do some trail cleaning. Hey, Mikey, let her go first. Mikey, stop! Mikey! I was trying to tell you so you can get a head start. Alright guys, here's Mikey. First First Come on! Come on, Mikey. Where you going? Did it die? Huh? It's bad again. Hey, go start that for her. You're bleeding? Oh, because you don't have boots on. Safety is number 3. 3. Safety is number 3. Alright, Kayla, let me get over there to you. Come hold mine. Kaylee! Kids, this is the reason why you can't have nothing nice. Because of kids. Back the way we came. What do you think of that hill? You need to raise a higher handlebars. Give her gas. Give her gas. That's right there. What do you think, boy? Told you didn't need to go to the gym anymore. All you need to do is come ride pit bikes, eh? Hey, scoot up some.
I'm in the fucking handlebars.
Oh, okay.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue.
You guys see me here. Hopefully that camera caught it. That's gonna be awesome. Come on, we're going to the house now. A little whiskey throttle. Hey, what do you think about the pit bike life? What do you think about the pit bike life? It's a lot of work, ain't it? It's a lot of work, ain't it? I don't know if she got it or not, too. Hey, you're still in gear, eh? I need to come clean my trails. I need to come clean my trails. Act like you can't get freaking 500cc. Or they're 125, you can't kick it. Hey, easy on the throttle, eh? Hey, you can't have that. You gotta put something over that.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is bad. Love me. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is bad. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is bad. Love me.
Did the tree get you? Imagine not. You're over there sweating. Hey! You dum-dum! Where's he going? He's like, what? No one's behind me. Where are we going? You don't know! Huh? Yes. Yes, but face. Yeah, face that way. You good? You ready? Wait until after I go, okay?
Huh?
Wait until after I go. You're supposed to record down there. Yeah, down there and up. Kaylee, up, going up too. Hey.
Gotta go way high. Come on!
Do a loop.
Huh?
Do a loop.
You don't wear a fat guy out. What gear did you do? First. Huh? First. First is too fucking low.
What year one? This one's not going to make it out.
All right, guys. So that'll be the end of today for this video. Hold on, Mikey's over there playing on Snapchat. Anyways, what do you think of your new favorite bike?
She rips.
Ain't you glad I bought it for you?
Yep, sure am.
So what should they do?
Yeah. For one, you guys should hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, hit that share button. We get to, what was your last video? 25 likes?
Yeah, we didn't get into that.
If this video gets 25 likes, we'll send the go-kart off the ramp.
They still ain't gonna get it.
They'll get it.
Man, I have 5,500 and some views on my channel, and I still can't hit my 25 likes.
Listen, shares to your grandma, grandpa, your cousin, your uncle, your aunt, your sister, your brother, your cousin.
Everyone in Kentucky.
It died.
So,
Apparently somebody died.
no, go crazy. All right, guys. Catch you guys all on the next one.